Hi guys, welcome to Chitre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find programming language tutorial section. In programming language tutorial section, if you scroll to the right side, you find Python tutorials playlist. If you click on view full playlist, you find all my Python tutorials where I am explaining Python in depth and step by step guys. In the previous videos, we started discussing operators in Python. We understood arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, and special operators. In this video, I would like to discuss Python operator precedence and associativity. Operator precedence and associativity in Python guys. Let's understand what is the meaning of precedence. While evaluating a given expression, which operator should be evaluated first before the other is determined by precedence of the operator. While evaluating a given expression, which operator should be evaluated first before the other is determined by the precedence of operator guys. That is, which operator needs to be given higher precedence than the other. When I ask what is the result of this expression to students, they answer 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 into 5 is 25. They answer 25. Most of the students, but that is wrong guys, that is wrong. Why? Let me explain. Here I have Python operator precedence and associativity table. Here we have operators and the precedence. While evaluating any given expression, first we have to evaluate parenthesis and then exponential, then unary plus minus tilde, and then multiplicative operators, then additive operators, and so on. At last we will evaluate the assignment operators guys. So if you carefully observe in the operator precedence, multiplication operator should be evaluated first before plus, right? Multiplication operator, which is binary plus binary, multiplication operator should be evaluated before the plus operator. So 5 into 3 should be evaluated first, which is 15, and then plus 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 is the correct answer guys, not 25. 25 is wrong. Let me prove that. I'll go to the Python shell and the Python file. If I say here print 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5, I'm going to save this. If I run this, definitely we'll get 17 as the output. You see, we got 17 guys. So the correct answer is 17, not 25. Simply don't evaluate the expression from left to right guys. While evaluating any expression, you refer the Python operator precedence and associativity table guys. Here I have the operators and their precedence. Fine. Next we have associativity. Let's understand. If same operator appears 2 or more times in an expression, in which direction a specific operator needs to be evaluated is determined by associativity of the operator. In which direction a specific operator needs to be evaluated is determined by the associativity of the operator. If you see here, I have associativity defined: exponential, unary plus minus tilde, and the boolean not or logical not, and assignment operators are having right to left associativity, That means these operators should be evaluated from right to left guys, right to left, whereas other operators should be evaluated from left to right, If you see, the binary plus operator has left to right associativity. That means first we have to evaluate this plus, and then this plus, then this plus. So left to right, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So the answer is 8 here, right? So if I come here and simply say print 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? Here the operators are evaluated from left to right. So definitely we'll get the output 8. I'll just save it and show it. If I say run module, you see we got 8. Let me give one more example. If I say here print 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 plus 3, what is the answer for this? I told you, don't evaluate the given expression simply from left to right. If you evaluate from left to right, what answer we get? If I say 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 into 4 is 20, 20 divided by 2 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, which is wrong guys. This answer is wrong. We have to follow the operator precedence and associativity table. So if you see here, multiplicative operators, here multiplication and division should be evaluated first before the addition operator, right? And then Addition operator should be evaluated from left to right. See how this expression is evaluated. Let me explain. Okay, first 4 divided by 2, right? 4 divided by 2 is 2. Let me copy this. Okay, I'll copy this and let me delete this. Okay, we are getting 13, right? So let me put that expression here for explanation purpose. 4 divided by 2 is evaluated first. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 3 into 2 is 6. See, we have plus, right? First left side plus should be evaluated. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 is the correct answer, not 13, guys. Not 13. Understanding? So let me save this and say run module. You see we are getting the output 11, not the 13. So remember, while evaluating any given expression, you should refer the Python operator precedence and associativity table so that you get the correct result. Okay, so that's it guys for this video tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. If you have any doubts, feel free to put them in the comment section. I'll be happy to clear, guys. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Python in depth, step by step. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.